How to use honey for acne. An estimate of 80% of people around the age of 11 to 30 experience acne at some time in their life. As per American Academy of Dermatology, acne is caused by overactive oil glands. When excess oil combines with dead skin cells and clogs the pores, bacteria multiplies in it, causing acne lesions. With that being said, the right approach to treat acne is to control the excess oil production. This can be achieved by either commercial or natural treatments. But if your choice is to go with safe and natural remedies, then honey, lemon, apple cider vinegar and aloe vera are some good choices. In this article, let's discuss on honey for acne in detail. Is honey really effective in treating acne? Here are the amazing benefits of honey for curing acne with science-backed proofs. View video on to know how it works. 1. Antibacterial. Honey contains antibacterial properties. As per a study, honey manipulates the follicular microenvironment to control the P-point acne bacteria. Propionibacterium is responsible for the bacterial action in the clogged pores, leading to inflammation. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Honey contains anti-inflammatory properties which reduce the swelling and redness associated with acne. As per a study, the results confirmed that honey has anti-inflammatory effect even in chronic inflammatory conditions. 3. Has osmotic effect. Honey has an osmotic effect. It absorbs water in the wound and releases hydrogen peroxide, a great antiseptic which kills bacteria and clears acne. 4. Acts as antioxidant. Researchers state that honey contains polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that reduce and prevent the damage caused by free radicals. 5. Control sebum. Honey locks moisture in skin cells, leaving them hydrated and supple. Dehydrated skin is one of the main reasons for excess sebum production. How to use honey for acne. Honey can't be used as a mask, scrub or pack to treat acne. We have mentioned several methods of using honey for your convenience. You can try any one as per your preference. Honey. Honey can't be either topically applied or internally consumed for treating acne. However, we recommend trying the both, as topical application helps to treat external factors and internal consumption helps to treat the root cause. For topical application, use a cotton ball to apply a small amount of raw honey to the affected area. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse with warm water followed by cold water. Repeat the process regularly for best results.